Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your right to work and selecting a legal structure. This matters for taxes and contracts. Next, pick 1 to 2 core services you can deliver well. Specialization wins clients quickly. Once chosen, secure basic tools, a reliable laptop, decent broadband, cloud file backup, and an invoicing app. Make sure to register for pay or register as self-employed when required. Doing these steps now prevents legal headaches later. Now you develop skills and market presence, train on specific tools clients use, and build repeatable workflows. Create a concise services page with clear rates, hourly or fixed packages, so prospects decide quickly. Once done, publish a simple website and profiles on UK-friendly freelance platforms and upload 2-3 sample workflows or case study snapshots to prove competence. Make sure to collect testimonials from any trials. Social proof shortens sales cycles and helps you charge more. You move to client acquisition and operations, send personalized outreach, follow up, and ask satisfied contacts for referrals. When you have interest, issue a clear contract with deposit terms, service level expectations, and a cancellation policy to avoid disputes. Once onboarded, standardize onboarding checklists and scheduling to save time. Scale by packaging services and hiring subcontractors. If something goes wrong, like late payment, pause work. Send a formal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.